Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the Kat Von D palette, the Rust palette. It's just a pretty peachy orange shades, and it's made for blue eyes because orange is obviously across the color wheel from blue, so it's supposed to really make blue eyes pop, although I think it would be beautiful on anyone's eyes. Today I'm just doing a real quick look that just uses two of these shades, Define shade and the highlighter shade. It's meant to make my eyelids look larger since I have hooded eyes, and I think it does a pretty good job of that. It's also just a really pretty day look. So if you want to know what colors I used and where I used them, then just push pause now because I'll put that up on the screen. Otherwise, you can stick with me and I will show you the tutorial, and I'll show you what brushes I used and where I placed these eyeshadows. My eyes are primed, and I have used the highlighter shade to set that primer. I'm going to very carefully go into that Define color, which is that brown color, and I'm going to put that in my crease. I don't want to pick up too much pigment because on me that's a pretty dark color, so my advice is just be careful when going into that color and try to build it up slowly to the level of opaque that you're looking for. I like to deposit the pigment with just a gentle windshield wiper motion. Once I feel like I have the depth of color that I'm looking for, I will start to do small circular motions, and that will blend it out. This brown, unfortunately, goes on a little bit patchy, so you may need to spend a little bit of time blending this out just to get rid of that patchiness. Next, I am going to go in with the highlighting shade, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And what that does is, if you have hooded eyes, putting a light shade all over your lid is just going to really open up that lid and make it look larger than it really is. And I am going to go ahead and work that light color into my bottom of my crease. And this is just going to give the overall illusion that I have a larger eye than I really do. And I'm using a packing brush to apply that highlighter, that light shade onto my lid. And I am packing it, but I'm also doing that windshield wiper motion just to deposit that up into my bottom crease. And now I'm going to blend all of that together. I'm going to take my accent brush, and I'm going to take that definer shade, and I am going to put that on my lower lash line. I'm going to take a smudger brush, and I'm just going to smudge that out so there's no harsh lines. I am not going to put any eyeliner on because the whole purpose of this look is for hooded eyes, and it's to make my lid seem larger. And if I were to put an eyeliner on there, then it would take up that lid space, and then my eyelid would just no longer look as big. I'm going to take that highlighter shade, and I'm going to highlight underneath my brow bone. And last, I'm going to curl my eyelashes and put mascara on. This is a final look, and I think this is really pretty and just day appropriate. This is something that I would wear to the office on any day of the week. It's just simple. It's only two different eyeshadows. It's a real easy look, and I just think it's really pretty, and it gives that illusion of having a larger lid. I just think it's a beautiful look. So. Okay, that's it for today. I will be back hopefully next week with a new look using this palette. So thank you for joining me, and I hope you're having a great day wherever you are. Bye-bye.